Hello. So welcome to Success Friday Rings. Let's have some fun. So the first week we arrived, right? We were aware of President's Mountain connected. We were able to present, right? That was the first. Second week, we released all negativity, all the things that were no longer serving us. And that's not good, right? This week we're rebuilding. Okay, we are rebuilding. Let's just get into it. Let's get into it. And then next week will be Louis. Okay, so we're going to be refreshing, feel good flow. Okay. So for this week, you are going to need a yoga block. Okay. I do have Sophie's yoga mats available for sale. If you get a yoga mat, you get one block for free. Okay. I'm going to be using our block today in class. So very good tool, very easy to use. Sometimes it's overlooked, but you can do a lot with the yoga block. Okay, today, but yoga block is good, and the yoga mat is essential. Both are really essential, but the mat, you don't have a so fancy yoga mat. I don't know what to do. Okay, so last week we had this feelings wheel, right? And this feelings wheel, we talked about and we thought about how we were feeling today and just overall. So I want to check in with you right now. How are you feeling? How are you feeling right now in this moment? Overall, now think about how you felt last week. Okay? Think about how you felt last week. What words you picked last week. And think of different words, right? But also just think about the difference in the words. I definitely have a different word this week. Okay. So anyway, what's your word? I'm taking my time here on purpose, okay? Because I really want you to think about how you feel. It's very important, okay? Very, very, very important. I don't want to gloss over that or, very important. So now think about those words and kind of comparing them and contrasting them this week to last week. But then also think of your highest self. Think of where you want to be. Think about like who you want to become. Are no one understand that everything that you do today makes you who you are tomorrow. So in order to become the person that you want to become, you have to work today to become that person. So that's what we're doing right now, right here, right now. That's what we're doing. Okay. So grab a comfortable seat, grab your yoga block, okay, and let's just kind of start to just relax. about your highest self. How does she look? Start with our own squats. So stand up. So standing up, feet are going to be hip distance apart. Okay, toes are going outward. Shoulders are nice and relaxed. Arms are at our sides. We're going to take a nice inhale, take our arms all the way up. And exhale, bring our arms to our chest, bend our knees, come down. On the forever as we exhale. Okay, again, inhale all the way back up. See your arms all the way up, gaze is up. Nice big inhale, full of breath. Exhale, send the arms down, hinge forward into your squat. Really feel that. And inhale, come up. Exhale, bring your arms to the chest. Two more of these. Again, inhale, come up. Exhale, come down. Last one. Inhale, come up. Exhale, come down. On this one, we're going to hold this here just for 5, 4, 3, 2. Last one. Now we're going to drop our left hand down to the mat, send our right arm up. Gaze is up at the sky. Right hand comes down, left hand goes up. Option to straighten your knees out. The squat is really challenging. Okay? But if you want to continue to challenge yourself, you can keep the hand down as you reach up. Both hands down to the ground, straighten out your legs, okay? Hang heavy here, okay? Grab opposite elbows. Let your head just fall down. Option to sway from side to side. Both hands down to the mat. Okay. Now we're going to come down to tabletop. Okay. So come down onto hands and knees. So on hands and knees, you're going to grab your blocks, keep it close nearby. Mine in front of you. Okay. So from hands and knees, okay, just to warm up, okay. Lift the right arm forward, lift the left leg back. Okay. Perfect. Straight line. Light little pulses up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. And core is nice and tight. Okay, suck in your stomach. Little abs. Light little pulses. Take it about line. Drop your hands so you're looking down at the mat and steady the pulse. Up and down. 2 more. Now bring it into a crunch. Front, front, front. Woo! Back out. Come on. Back out. In for a crunch. Back out. Straight line. Head is relaxed. And then neck a break. Okay, again, tight abdominals. Okay, we're working the core. Straight line. Bring it in. Crunch. Straight line. Last one. Crunch. Hands and knees. Okay, good. You get cat and cow. So inhale. Go into an S with your spine. Exhale. C-squat. Inhale S. Exhale. Last one. And come down. Now we're to the hands and knees. So same thing on the left side. So left arm comes up. Okay? Left arm is up. Now we're in a straight line. Here. Relax. Okay? Give that neck a nice little break. So we're in good alignment. We're all in a straight line parallel to the floor. Right leg is going to come back. Straight line. Nice. Up straight. Okay? When you're ready, we're doing it like pose. So we're tapping up and down. Forward, nice and tight. It's not a warm up. Remember, we're building. Or we're working on strength. All levels. What does that look like? Strong core. Start. That's why we started here. Strong core, strong spine. Very important. Alignment. Very important. Two more. Come down. In for the crunch. In for the crunch. Back out straight line. Crunch. Out in a straight line. Core is nice and tight. In for the crunch. Core stays nice and tight. Out for the straight line. Up more. In for the crunch. Out straight line. Bring the hands back down to hands and knees. Open your knees wide as the mat. Go into a child's pose. So send the knees all the way back. Stretch out forward. Forward fold. This is your child's pose. The best pose ever made. Oh, it's so relaxing. So we'll come back up. Back up. Remember this on hands and knees.
I'm just going to show you how pretty the sky is. It's gorgeous. It's just gorgeous. So now we're on hands and knees.
So you're going to grab your block. You're going to set it down so that it's laying flat. Okay, so it's not sitting up. Okay, it's sitting flat, flat down. Okay. So let's start. So from hands and knees, you're going to use your right foot. You're going to step onto the yoga block. Okay, stepping up onto the yoga block. So making sure it's nice and straight. Okay, check your alignment. Check your balance. Okay, right, because we're going to be on this foot. Okay, well, this foot for this part, and then we'll go to the next foot. We are going to come to the just making sure. So left hand down, and you're going to activate your left toe to come up. Okay, so coming up from here, but keeping this lunge stance. Okay, so keeping this lunge stance. Then evolve again.
So we're 90-degree angles, okay? And so we're going up and down, up and down, up and down. Forward side, up and down, up and down. 10 more, up and down. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it down, stretch down. So now you're gonna drop your back heel. Back heel drops down, and you're pointing like forward, like framing your right foot. Stretching, okay? So activate the left foot. So left heel comes up. Drop down to the left knee. Okay? On the top of your left foot. Okay, so relax that foot. Okay. Hinge forward. Stretch out the left psoas. Start to come back, get the hips all the way back, sink back, straighten out the front leg. Come back up. Okay, you're gonna come back up, come off of the block. Okay, come back off the block, keep the block nearby. Okay, send both feet back together so we're in hands and knees. Okay, bringing the block to the left side. Okay, left foot is gonna come onto the block. Okay, when you're ready, you're gonna stand with your right foot, so right toes are engaged. Come up, keep the lunge. Okay, so see how I'm making sure I'm stable, making sure I'm balanced before I come all the way up. Both knees are gonna go into the 90-degree angle. Holding our lunge. And we're gonna start pulsing. Whatever you wanna do with your hands, right? If it makes you feel good to have your hands in prayer, it feels good to have them on your side. It feels good to have your arms up. Most important is that you align the entire body stays equal, right? I have to do 90 angles so we're building muscle. More. Come down, drop that back heel. Okay, come down and touch your left toe. Always have the option to open up your arm. If you're curious, you can always do a little bit more, right? There's no harm in trying. If you're being curious. Come down, frame that foot. Now you're going to drop one to your right knee. Okay? And we're going to just hinge forward on the top of our right foot. Hinging forward. Get that psoas. So beautiful. Now we're going to hinge back, so straighten out the front leg. Who are we becoming? Are you thinking about who are you becoming? Who are you building yourself to be? That's a really good question. Who are you building yourself to be today? up, okay? Come back to hands and knees so you can come off of the block. Meet me in hands and knees, okay? So walking your dog, your right heel up and back. Bring your knee forward. Other heel up and back. Bring the knee in. Forward, nice and tight. Remember, we're building. Send that leg up and back. Last one. Bring the chest. Options. Go out to the side. I don't have that ability right now. Challenge yourself. Engage the obliques a little bit. Send the leg up and back. Bring your foot forward, step forward. Get your balance. Okay, when you're ready, block is nearby. Okay? Still have our block nearby. We're in our lunge. Our hands up, framing our face for our crescent lunge. Okay? Very good, very good. Inch forward, grab your block. Okay? Holding our block forward. And we're going to do side pulses. Four more. Now we're going to open up towards the left. When we open up towards the left, come back towards the front. When we open up towards the right, come back to the center. Last round of pulsing. Up and down. Core is nice and tight. Holding our block out in front of us. Come down, drop the block, straighten out your front leg and your back leg, drop the back heel. Okay? Come to center. So both of your feet are facing forward. And we're in a nice deep, wide leg and forward fold. Start to come back, go forward. Okay, so you're going to go back, go back to toes. Okay. When you're ready, come back up into your crescent. Come back up into our crescent. Okay. And we cartwheel our back hand. Cartwheel our back hand, drop that back heel, go into our warrior. Okay. Facing forward. Arms are parallel to the floor. Nice straight line. Sink a little bit lower. Drop the back arm. Front arm comes up. As you reverse our warrior. And then cartwheel your arms as you frame your front foot. Well, not frame it, but touch this front foot. Again, always you can look down for stability and look up for a challenge. Always up to you. Hold the power. Come back and frame this foot. Okay, frame this foot. Okay, engage the toes. Okay, so this back heel is, the back heel is up. Okay. So we're framing this front foot. Maybe shorten your stance if you need to. Alright, so because I want you to have a balance before we straighten our front foot, front leg. Okay? So now, framing your front foot, now we're just gonna hinge forward, lift our back leg. So we're trying to get our back leg as carefully up and down as we can. Relax your shoulders. After the challenge yourself, grabbing your block, right? And you go a little bit higher, okay? Build up, right? Find your point of pressure, or about, but find your point of pressure of a non-moving point, right? A non-moving point, and focus on that. I was trying to show you how you just kind of like build up into the position of kind of standing, and now you're either using the block or you have prayer hands, but we're always building, right? And this is what I'm saying, this is a great tool for that. So whatever you are, you're gonna come back to standing. That's to come to the top of your neck. And tall, start from the top, set, and the same thing on the opposite side. So relax your shoulders, tall, right? Inhale, and your arms up, right in your face. Exhale, we're gonna fold down, touch our toes, drop our head. And then each knee, you shake your head from side to side. When you're ready, you're gonna engage your fingertips, okay? So you're gonna engage your fingers, and when you're ready, you're gonna either step or hop back. So you're in your plank, okay? So from your plank, we're just gonna hold this for just a quick little 5 seconds. And we're gonna go into our down dog and do the same thing on the opposite side. Your hips up and back for down dog. When you're ready, left heel. Left heel is gonna go up and back. You're gonna bring your knee forward to your chest. And then send your leg up and back. Bring the knee into your chest. Core is nice and tight. Then go back, up and back. Step it through. So let's just come forward. Okay, grab your balance, make sure you're good. Right heel is still elevated. We're gonna come up for our crescent. Arms are gonna frame our face. Okay. So this is our normal crescent. We're gonna sit down for our block. Reaching down for our block. Still keeping it to the bottom. Okay, 90-degree angles on both legs. So, we just have to breath. So, block is out at the front. Remember when we did on opposite sides. So we're just going to lightly close. More nice and tight. Breathing. Without focus the guard. Yard by yard. Just happens here. Or are already. And we just haven't showed up physically, right? Okay, pause. Open up to the right. Open the top half of your body. Only the top half of your body is turning to the right. Come back to center. First, and it goes towards the left. Woo! Burn so good. Come back to center. Take a breath. Start your pulses. Woo! So good. Drop your block down. Straighten out both legs. Okay? Drop your back heel. Back heel is going to straighten out. You're going to tee up your arms. Come up with the teeth. Gaze is facing forward. Arms are in the teeth. Shoulders are relaxed. I'm nice and relaxed. Okay? Front leg is in a nice 90-degree angle. And I'm breathing. I'm going to drop my back arm and reverse my warrior. Feeling every stretch, feeling every pulse. Start pulling my arms. I'm going to go down, touching my toes on the left. Legs are pretty straight. Come down, you're going to frame your foot. Frame your foot, go into a plank. So I'm going to frame this foot, send this foot back to meet the right foot. We're going to hold our plank. Send our hips up and back. Back into the plank. Hips up and back. Back down to the plank. Back to the down dog. Back to the plank. Flip your toes, go into up dog. So option to go onto the top of your thighs. Like option to stay up for adding challenge. Up. Go back into down dog. Down for plank. Go back into down dog. Down for plank. Back up for down dog. To the mat. Risky out here. So knees are at the mat, so we're going to get the knees. Okay, we're going to bring our right knee forward, going into our pigeon. Right knee forward, we're going to send the left leg all the way back. Okay. Check your alignment, make sure your hips are still nice and square. Okay. Bring your chest up and forward. Okay. Come up. Alright, balance yourself. Take a nice breath. All the core work you do today. You're already going to fold forward. So now reach back, so come up, mainly on your left hand, okay? Bending the left foot, reach back. Okay. Relax that leg. Okay, come back to your knees. Bring the left knee forward. Right leg goes back. Check your alignment again. Check to make sure our hips are nice and square. So everything is level. Alignment is always so important. Okay? Alignment is even going for with us becoming who we're gonna be, right? You can't become who you want to be if you're not in alignment. So chest is open. Okay, we're balancing ourselves. Breathing nice and easy. Thinking about our word that we picked today. How you feeling? How does our body feel right now? Inch forward. Focus come up. Onto your right hand. Bend that right knee. Reach back with the left. So we're grabbing our foot. Relax that foot. Come back onto the knee. Okay, continue cat cow. So inhale, go into an S. Exhale, go into a sit. Inhale, go into an S. Exhale, go into a sit. Inhale, go into an S. Exhale, go into a sit. Put a nice seated position. Close your eyes if you like. While you're sitting, your eyes closed, like think about the words that you chose. Check in with yourself right now. Bring your right hand to your chest, the left hand to your stomach. Feel a nice deep breath. Slowly let it out. Again, inhale, then exhale. One more. Inhale,
out loud to yourself. I will be aware, present, intentional, and connected in my thoughts. Bring your hands to your mouth space. I will be aware, present, intentional, and connected in my words. Bring your hands to your heart space. I will be aware, present, intentional, and connected in my actions. Namaste. Thank yourself for your practice today. You got dark fast. Windy. It's getting watery. Sunset City is a little bit earlier because this ain't safe.